Yeah, we went a little bit. We went in kind of a weird way, but we made it. It says they're all this way.
Yes, they all start here, and then about halfway through,
Okay.
then the intermediate breaks off and the expert breaks off. All right, ready?
Oh shit.
Let's be curious to see what you think about this compared to the ones you've been to.
I think I'm gonna get hurt. That's what I think. Do we want to try the novice one, or is that too easy? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Woo.
I will. I'm always getting food on.
All right.
This goes for about a mile before you get to.
Oh, good. Okay. God, be careful. We almost lost Brandon. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Ugh. So many fucking roots. Woo. So this is still considered novice. Okay. Good to know. Oh no.
I didn't make
I'm surprised this is still novice. This feels pretty intense. Big what?
drop.
Oh, well. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's cool. Why does it feel like the motor's not helping much? Whoa, okay. How did you get past this? Oh my God. Dad, I'm not gonna make it. Oh my God. Holy shit, why didn't you warn me about that? Oh God. Holy fuck. No, I didn't jump. Oh my God. So you have to take this route just to get to the novice course, which would imply that this is no harder than novice. What? Man, I'm not gonna make it. Oh shit. I'm saying this implies that to get to the novice course, you have to be able to go through this.
But this is all considered the novice
Right.
course. You saw that.
I don't think I could do the expert.
Can you believe how hard that shit is? I know. But really, once you get to the expert stuff, it's not much harder than this. So I don't know why they call this the novice part.
I don't know.
Look at this pretty swamp we could swim.
Yeah, I feel like I could almost ride through there. Holy crap. I'm just scared what's going to be on the other side of these hills.
Watch out, big rock.
What?
Big rock.
Oh. What? It's too late. Whew. This isn't terrifying at all.
This is the one I was talking about.
Yep. Oh, okay. Whew. Oh, I'm gonna hurt myself. I can feel it. Oh, there's a rock. Okay. Oh, man, this is intense. How can this just be the novice? It's like you have to have experience to get experience. I can feel it now. It's gonna be just like me following Tom, or just like you following Tom, and then you're gonna break or something, and I'm gonna swing wide and run off a cliff into a bog. Yeah, I know. Oh, oh. Yep, sure is. Wait, do you have suspension?
Nope.
Oh, wow. Forgot. Oh my God. Oh.
You should do that.
Oh, okay. My pedals are so low to the ground, they just catch.
Huh?
My pedal was so low to the ground that it caught on the chicken wire. It's
You
ridiculous.
gotta go in flat.
Yeah, well, now I know. Can we just bike on the walking trail?
I almost did it.
Ah! I really hope my bike survives this.
I hope I survived it.
Yeah, I hope me, my body and my bike would be great. They could both survive. Without any additional bruising. That would be awesome. Oh. Ah. I forgot to trip. How, set the trip at the beginning, so careful. I have no idea how long this is. Yes, definitely.
This is similar to Town Run.
It's wider though, which is good. I feel like I can at least avoid some of the obstacles. Whoa. Oh my God. Okay. Ah. Ooh. Okay. That's super comfortable. Oh, careful. You all right?
Yep.
Okay. Good God. At least you.
I'll make sure I got it anyway. Yeah,
I feel like this isn't the right way. Yeah. Oh.
It said curvy to the inside. I don't know what that meant.
It said curvy cruising. What? No, I think some asshole just started this path as a joke. I said I think some asshole just carved out that path as a joke. Like, hey, wouldn't it be funny if we made the idiots go that way? Oh, God. Yeah. Right. You did better than I would. Oh, God. Oh wait, what are we doing? It still goes this way. What?
Everybody goes wrong.
This is ridiculous. It feels like the whole thing is just going to be one big course that said novice, intermediate, and expert the whole time, and you're just going to exit into the parking lot and it's going to be like, oh yeah, it was all expert. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh shit. This is terrible. Oh, thank God. Okay.
Here's your first expert one.
Do you want to do it? You've done it, right?
I have.
How bad is it?
I don't remember. There's the intermediate one.
Yeah.
Okay, this is where everything branches off. Because this just goes out and then comes back and meets back up with, I think, according to the map.
Yep. I'm just terrified of what that course could hold compared to what we just did. It seems like it's just going to get worse.
Okay, so here, let me show where we're at on the map here. So we are to right here right now. So we have done all the way from the parking lot all the way around all of that to right here.
Right.
And then it'll connect back with the intermediate loop if we go this way.
Okay.
If we go left, we'll be on the novice route the whole way. I mean, as you can see, the novice route's pretty freaking hard too. So I'm okay with either one.
I don't care.
You want to try the intermediate? It's hard, I tell you. We're the expert. All right, so I'm gonna take it slow.
Yeah, that's fine.
I mean, at some points we might have to go back.
How long do you think it is? Like,
It's not. This is not very long.
we're not going to get stuck on it forever, are we?
No, it's not very long. But then we're gonna be back on the intermediate.
All right. Oh, great. It's already starting. Oh, no. Oh.
Don't go down there.
Was this a bad idea?
I think it gets easier.
That's what they all say. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, God. Hold on, I'm getting a little stuck. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, my God. This is insane. You got to stay with me so I can record your death on camera. I said you got to stay closer to me so I can record your death on camera. Oh my, what is this? This is ridiculous.
Oh, wait till you see what I'm looking at right now.
I don't want to see it. That's not that bad. Let's go.
As long as you can get onto the bridge.
Well, get on the bridge. Come on, you got it. Oh God. Okay. Woo. I got this. Easy peasy. Never doubted it for a second. okay. God. This is insane. No. No. No, I can't. It doesn't exist within my body. I can't. Oh. Where the pedal what? Oh yeah. No, I'm on maximum pedal assist right now. I need it. Yeah, thank goodness.
I'm getting pretty good at those.
Yeah. Not bad. Oh no.
You have to do a manual.
No. No, thank you. I cannot. I can't.
That's not nearly as high as my mom went.
I know. I think I was getting a little ahead of myself with that one. I'm definitely not going to do that.
I did it better than I thought I would. That's the first time I've done one like that.
Is that right? What the fuck is this?
crazy.
Holy shit.
I think you're supposed to jump this. I think I'm going to go.
You can't go over it? Is it just a complete drop off?
It's a drop
Oh no. Yeah, that's. I think I'd rather do the novice at this point.
We'll stick on the intermediate after we leave it.
Wow, I'm gonna bottom out. Jesus Christ. That's insane.
Hey, here's another race stretching. Slow down.
Okay. Oh no. You know, if you're so embarrassed if.
Go to the right, you're going flying.
Yeah. It's a good thing the momentum carries you that way. I'm starting to think we're not experts.
Oh, this is the jump I was telling you about that Tom's buddy did the other day, last week.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I forgot about that. He went up there and did that. I'm like, oh my god, what an idiot. I would love to have seen it.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna go to the left.
Me to the left too. I just want to look at it. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that.
Oh my, I would. Okay. Oh, okay. It doesn't drop as far as I thought it did,
No. But depending on how, but you got to go pretty fast, so you got to get.
no, I'll just roll up to it at 1 mile per
do
hour
what
like Tom.
did.
Pull a Tom.
They told me to go slow.
Oh wow, that's insane.
Oh yeah, that was insane. This is gonna be kind of.
I'm glad they cover this in chicken wire, so when you
know.
fall, it just scrapes up every piece of skin on your body.
You know one of these boards is gonna go out.
You gotta just go.
I didn't see that hurt.
Are you okay?
I couldn't get back up on the seat.
You gotta just let it roll a little bit. Oh God.
Wait, I'll watch you.
Oh man.
Use my front brake. I should have only been using the back.
You really shouldn't use any brake at all, I don't think. Just kind of go for it. Gets worse if you go slower.
It sure was. I should have got that.
Whoa. That's why we should have done the novice one, so it would have looked way cooler. when we go up to those little jumps and we're like, yeah, we'll just go for it. But with these, we're constantly stopping. We're gonna look so lame. Oh, shit.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry. That's not that bad. You could have done that.
I should have, but I was gonna go left, and then I was like, oh shit, that looks like there's a big drop to the left.
Um,
And then I started to go right.
I'll go left.
Oh, no, it's fine. How much is that?
Oh, just some roots. No big deal. Ah! Whew!
All that trail if we'd have just jumped that.
What?
There's the jump. That's where you come out.
Oh,
Off of there.
yeah, wow.
We could have cut off a whole bunch of the trail.
Yep.
Let's do that next time.
Yeah. Definitely worth the hernia and scrapes
I'm not doing that without
and death. Uh-oh. What's to the left? Oh,
steeper.
certain death. Okay. Should I try it? Okay, bye. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's too many roots. I'm not gonna make that shit. Oh, no! Hold on. I lost my chain. Just need a second. My chain! It's fine, it just came off. Alright, I'm coming. Oh, ow. Scrape my fucking knee on the tire. That hurts. Ow. Yeah, I don't know, my chain just derailed somehow.
Oh, that happens a lot.
Ow, I scraped my knee getting back on the tire.
Oh.
Ow, okay,
So
so
this is expert 2.
yeah, no, I'm good.
And here's intermediate. Yes, I see.
That first log looks terrible already, so I'm good. No, thanks.
Okay.
I think I think we'd feel a lot cooler doing the novice one because we could at least do those jumps.
This is pretty hard. This is the intermediate. This is not novice.
Well, yeah, but we're getting. It only gets easier from here, right? I think.
I don't think so.
What is delight in full? What?
I don't know. That's that bad.
What? It makes it seem like we should go to the left if there's a fork. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh. Okay. All right. I didn't quite make that. God damn it. Oh. Wow, some of these branches are so low. Where'd he go? This asshole take off on me? Oh. Okay, we're still doing intermediate.
Right.
Okay. Ewok. What the fuck is that?
I don't think we get back to the novice.
Oh, great.
That's okay. This just seems pretty mild so far.
Yeah.
Me and Tom did a few of those different experts. I don't know which ones though.
Huh.
I think we did 3 of them. And no, I wasn't prepared for it.
Nope. I'm definitely not.
Arrow tree.
Yep.
This says expert and intermediate.
No! God damn it. They trick you. I didn't need to hop it. I made it just fine. You did what? Oh. Yeah, you probably went the wrong way. I mean, with you and Tom, it's like the blind leading the blind. Oh, narrow. Ow! Oh, God. Okay, there's a tree. Ow. A fucking branch poked me. Wow. So many people have hit this. They've carved it out. Oh, I hate it. It's a nice little roller coaster. Oh. Whee! We're back at the bog. Oh, God. See, I don't mind this where it's just like a roller coaster. Just no jumps. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm falling. Woo. Wow. That is rough. Uh-oh. Okay. Whoa! Roller coaster! Woo! 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 Whoa! Okay. I bottomed out at the top there. Whee! It's all right. It's only all the important wires that got cut there. That's fine. Just all the controls and computer. That's fine. Whoa. Oh, that was fun. Where the heck are we now? Oh my God. What are these? What is this out there? Like just a?
You go over the top there.
Just a bathtub of concrete?
I don't know. Man, this is where me and Tom talked last night.
It's very confusing. Yeah, yeah. Are you alright?
Yep.
Okay.
Boy, and windy of course.
Oh, ow.
Some rough
Oh.
riding up some of those hills.
Yep. Oh my God, oh God. Oh my God, okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. How is this intermediate? Ah. Oh my God. Oh, no. No. It's all lies. It's all bullshit. It's a lie. It's all expert. You're tricking us. Whoa. Oh, there's a rock. Oh my God. Oh man. I feel like hydraulic brakes really would help on this. That's good. You're welcome. Ow, ow. I'm such a baby. What? They probably meet up at the same spot. I'd go left, honestly. I mean, there's no signage. They probably don't go very far.
Oh yeah, I just came right back around on the right.
Oh, I'm going right. Haha. I tricked you. Whee! Do you think they put out some sort of like gravel? Like, do you think they come through and they lay down gravel or something? Or sand? Seems like cat litter. I don't know. It must be helpful. I keep feeling like I'm gonna slide though. Whoa! Oh, just the right amount of sketchy. Perfect. Okay, thank you. No more expert. Done with the expert. I'm tired of the expert. Yep. I can't believe I came out here and did this like forever ago. I don't remember it at all.
Oh, this is the nightmare.
Huh? Well, just pedal harder.
I didn't make it. I fell off the side.
Yeah, that's tough. Probably just walk it, yeah.
I'm walking. I forgot. I knew this part was coming up. I couldn't remember where it was.
Ah,
Oh, and it gets worse.
I bet.
Remember, this is a novice.
If only you had a motorized. Oh, oh no. Okay, I almost fell. Wow. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Holy shit. Oh my God. This is... No, it said intermediate. Right? It said intermediate and novice. Which doesn't really mean anything. Because if it's intermediate, then it's not novice. It's all bullshit. Oh. Oh my God. What is that? Is that just a random vehicle? Oh no. I swear my handlebars are too wide for that. Like I'm not gonna make it. What the fuck is this? What the hell? They really are just trying to kill us. Mushrooms, truffles. I swear I saw mushrooms. There's truffles. Oh, this stupid log.
Oh yeah, that log there.
Ah! Okay.
When I saw that rock though,
Yeah.
I had to go right. I was really gonna try to jump up.
Oh my God. I bet you could if you were
If you're good.
like an expert, yeah. Whoa. Wow, my bike cannot like this at all. Oh, almost lost it. Holy shit. Wow. I mean, there's no jumps. It's just really hard. Wow. Nope. That's crazy. This is scary.
There's no way normal people could have got up that thing.
I don't know.
I made it up about half.
I almost lost it a couple times there. Just on the loose
I know,
dirt
the loose
right on the
freaking
edge. I almost went flying down one ravine and off the side of that first cliff after that turnaround. Wow.
I didn't make it up that hill twice. I knew, and that's what sucks. That first one is that 90-degree turn,
Yeah.
so you got to get enough speed going, and then
Yeah.
you're on gravel, so you're just spinning out.
I'm not confident enough to actually take any of those banks. It'd probably help if I did, but I'd rather just stay on the level ground.
Of them, but didn't help much.
These are the right kind of bikes for this, right? Like, we're not supposed to be using BMX bikes, are we?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, you're supposed to use the mountain bikes on you. But yeah,
Alright. Well, keep it going.
we're still going this way.
Yep.
But I swear that says novice and intermediate both were that section. It was
Yeah.
the red, the blue, and the green together.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is no novice course. It's
There's
just
no fucking way.
it's all
a novice
bullshit.
could do that shit. You'd be off a cliff.
Yeah. Oh my god, no. This better be the right path. Oh, what? That's it? I told you, there's no novice course. It's all bullcrap. It was a lie.